going on? Guess it's... Go. Go, baby. You try.
Go
try
ahead.
yourself.
Here, Mommy, look. Right here.
Uh-oh. What is it?
I think it's hard.
So pretty.
What's the hair?
Here, rip it.
What?
What's that? What's that? Yes, that's it. It's a string. Oh, there's another one.
Purple.
Purple.
What's this, Mama?
Who's that?
Emily. What is this?
What is it?
Pretty.
Looks like mini Uno.
It's to build an Elmo. It's to build an Elmo.
To the 5
Oh.
inches too.
How cute. You like it?
Like it.
Yeah, I like it. Show Daddy.
Can you show me?
Show Dee.
Let's see it. Can I see it? You bring it to Daddy. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, next.
Yeah, let's go for that one.
You want to do this one? Alright, this is from Matthew.
Who's Matthew?
Oh, I know what this is. She's going to love this gift.
Give Elmo a kiss. Give Elmo a kiss. Mwah. Okay, can I have it? Can I have Elmo? Can I have it? Can I have Elmo? No. Can I have Elmo? Elmo, can I have him?
Here, Emily.
Thank you. Go with Mommy.
Look.
It looks like a bunny, I think.
Want to take him out of it? Or no? Go.
What's this? What's this? Bless you. Bless you. Emily, what?
You have to turn it on.
Wow.
Can I pick the next one, Mom? I think I gotta go with movies.
I think we're going to be here for a second while she plays with it. Do you love it, Mommy? Gee.
This is the next one. Let me throw it in the trash. Throw it in the trash.
You're silly.
Q-R-S-T.
U-V. Look at me.
E-F-G-H-I-J-K-L. You silly. Do you want to open more presents? Yeah, open presents.
Okay, this one
You
has
get
some-
it.
This one has some